Down start. Leave granted with consent of all the counsel for parties, the appeals were heard finally and judgment was reserved on 24th January 2020. Full stop. These appeals challenge the common judgment of the Rajasthan High Court. Full stop. The division bench of the High Court by the impugned judgment set aside an order made by the learned single judge of that court and held that the present appellants full stop. The direct recruits has approached the High Court in the first instance claiming that the seniority list, showing the departmental promotes in earlier position, was untenable, the single judge allowed that petition full stop. The division bench has, however, allowed the appellants to question the eligibility of departmental promotes to be recruited full stop. The relevant facts that on 1/9/2009 the Finance Department of the Government of Rajasthan granted approval for creation of 531 posts of tax assistants full stop. This newly created post was augmented by further 23 posts which were added to the cadre, the final tally of such newly created posts of tax assistants became 554 full stop. Amendments to the Rajasthan Commercial Taxes Subordinate Services General Branch Rules, 1975, made with effect from 1/12/2010, prescribed the manner of filing of post of tax assistance full stop. On 4th October 2010, a departmental selection committee was constituted for recruitment of both categories and proceedings were initiated, soon filling all 554 posts of tax assistance in accordance with the rules, It was proposed to fill the 80% quota of direct recruits to the extent of 443 vacancies and 111 from amongst departmental promotes full stop. Accordingly, on 25/1/2011, an advertisement was issued for recruitment of direct recruits full stop. The written examination stipulated under the rules was conducted for recruitment of direct recruits, thereafter, a typing test was conducted on 15/5/2011, full stop. 365 candidates participated in this typing test, full stop. On 16/5/2011, provisional results were declared for the test held for direct recruits, full stop. Thereafter, letters were apparently written by the Commissioner, Department of Commercial Taxes, enclosing a list of successful candidates to the police authority for due verification of their character and antecedents, full stop. On 24/5/2011, the departmental advertisement for filing up of the 20% quota for departmental promotes, full stop. Earlier, the proposal was to hold the written examination for the departmental promotes on 24/6/2011, however, it was held earlier on 11/6/2011 and 12/6/2011, full stop. The results of these tests for the departmental promotes were announced on 24/6/2011 and the department issued promotion letters on 23/6/2011, full stop. On 24/6/2011, the appellants were issued with letters for police verification and medical test. By this time, however, the departmental promotes had already been promoted and had taken charge of their posts, full stop. The appointment orders of the direct recruits were issued subsequently on 4/7/2011, full stop. On 5th June 2013, the Commercial Taxes Department of the State of Rajasthan published a seniority list in which those appointed as departmental promotes in the 20% quota were shown as senior to the direct recruit, the appellants, full stop. Apparently, some of the direct recruits, including the appellants, objected to this placement and sought for correction of the seniority list, full stop.